You've heard the whispers, right? About Lunar. That platform that seemed to promise the moon, or at least, hefty returns. But then, like a meteor shower, it disappeared. Poof. Gone. So, the burning question is Lunar still trading? Or is it just a distant memory, a cautionary tale in the vast universe of online trading? Let's dive in. Remember the thrill of discovering Lunar? It was like stumbling upon a hidden treasure. Promises of astronomical profits, a user interface that was as sleek as a spaceship, and a community that felt like a family of astronauts united by a common goal, financial prosperity. But then, the rug was pulled. Trust vanished faster than a black hole swallows light. And now, doubt lingers like cosmic dust. So, what happened? Where did Lunar go? And most importantly, is there any chance it could return? These are the questions that have been burning in the minds of countless traders. We're about to peel back the layers of this mystery, to sift through the rumors, and to uncover the truth. We'll start by examining the evidence. What do we know for sure? What are the official statements, if any? And what are the unofficial whispers circulating the trading community? We'll analyze the platform's history, its rise, and its sudden fall. We'll look at the people behind it, their backgrounds, and where they might be now. But we won't just focus on the past. We'll also look towards the future. Is there any hope for Lunar to resurrect itself? Could a phoenix rise from these ashes? We'll explore the possibility of a comeback, analyzing the legal and financial implications. And let's talk about you. What are your experiences with Lunar? Were you a believer? A skeptic? Or someone caught in the middle? Your stories are crucial to this investigation. We'll share some of your experiences, ensuring your privacy, of course. Your insights can help us paint a more complete picture of what happened. We'll also provide essential tips to protect yourself from similar scams in the future. Because let's face it, the trading world is a jungle filled with potential pitfalls. Knowledge is your strongest weapon. So, buckle up. This is going to be a deep dive into the world of Lunar. We'll explore the light and the dark sides, the hopes and the fears. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what happened to Lunar and how to protect yourself in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.